Hi guys, in this video I will tell you how to show or hide Microsoft Word ribbon bar. So first of all, just open up your Microsoft Word. Then you can see the ribbon bar is hidden right now for me. So to get it back, I'll have to click on this icon besides the minimize icon and click on show tabs and commands. If I want to hide it again, I can just simply click on this arrow and it will hide it again. To get it back, I'll just have to click on show tabs and commands. There's another way. You can click anywhere on the ribbon bar and click on collapse the ribbon. Once you do that, the ribbon will be hidden. Now to get the ribbon bar back, you can click on any of the headings and you can see it. Or you can just click on auto hide. Now the whole entire tab is hidden, and to get it back, just click on the top and you will get it back. This is how you hide or show hidden ribbon bar in Microsoft Word. If this video helped you guys, please make sure to leave a like and subscribe to our channel.